Smooth as silk. If I can do this. That's it. Smooth, baby. So, anyway. This is an IT3. Actually, that's not even it. That's it. IT3 T82 is the key type, but IT3 Abus, ABUS, that's the lock you need. This is the upper battery mount. This piece here goes inside the tube. This locks in the top of your battery. There you go. My fourth lock. All the other ones were the wrong size. And AI and BMC score, they all tell you that it's an IT 2.1. That is wrong information. The only one that fits inside of this for the 750 power tube is the IT3. So they say 3 times a charm, well, 4 times is a charm. That's how it goes.